What happened? Okay, can you see the screen, Bagas or Salsa?
Yeah,
Or
it's clear. It's clear.
all right, okay. Yeah, I would like to just very brief to explain this guideline, especially actually our duty right now is just finish get it done our final paper on this topic, and I will give you a very brief to explain this thing, this stuff. All right. Okay. So based on our presentation, every single student already select the topic, and then in general, I'm very satisfied with your presentation and your idea you put on the list on your slide. And what we are gonna do is how to uh, make it in detail by doing writing on the paper. I think mostly you already have like the case, the background of knowledge, and then the theoretical thing, and you have skill to little bit comparative analysis based on the theoretical or uh, what to say, yeah, the idea from the philosopher, for example. So this is we say academic writing for individual paper, but is it still possible when you are thinking working on group is very effective way? I still give you option actually. If you are thinking maybe working on group like 2 person each group, that's fine as well. But it's up to you. You can have like opinion after this. So this academic writing, right? So the follow the guideline of academic writing like APA or other guideline. And then the length is more or less 2000 to 2500 words for the length. And most of this work is doing literature review, not doing field research or doing what to say, like other research. Is mostly library research. I would say literature review, business, and no plagiarism. We will check in the end of this your final paper. No plagiarism, yeah. At least we have like tolerance for the similarity, 5% maximum. Okay, and then organizing paper, yeah. We have title and then your introduction. For example, you are starting with the topic, why this topic is very interesting, and then you put like questioning the topic, and then discussion on literature and theory, 2 to 3 pages length, and then selected case. Yeah. For example, you choose one of the organization related to the environmental policy, for example, and then you give background of the organization. You have background of the institution, what kind of activity they have, they doing, for example, like Greenpeace, and you put like one pages or two page background of the institution, right? And then And then following by discussion on case, what kind of activity then you really analyze with your theoretical framework. For example, theory in economy politics, political ecology, to understand the Greenpeace movement in Indonesia, for example. So this kind of activity in this discussion on case, and then conclusion 1 page. I will give like very, yeah, just example, yeah. I put here the title is Ecofeminism in Indonesia and India, a comparative discussion in selected literature. Okay, and then in the introduction, I would talk about why this topic very interesting to me, what kind of information background that really attract a global attention or political attention, or for example, presidential attention, to talk about such kind of gender-based environmental movement, for example, right? And any problem of critical situation, for example, the inadequate money or APBN or national budget to address the issue of environmental, for example. So this kind of crisis management, and it's related to the political behavior or political or policy among the government in two different countries like India and Indonesia, how they put national budget on the addressing environmental problem, right? And you put your research question on the, actually not research, yeah, we in general we could say research question, but we could say also like putting like questioning something. Why, for example, ecofeminism in India succeed rather, for example, compared to Indonesia case, for example. Yeah. So play like making questioning something that we have to answer in the following discussion in the next session. Yeah. And then the third session, we have discussion on reference or discussion on literature. I would say you may have 10 to 15 literature to discuss that really close to your topic, yeah, based on Scopus, for example, data, Google Scholar, book chapter, whatever you can mix on the list, on your discussion. So no worry, we have, I will supervise your paper, I will give suggestion, I put literature, I give you reference to add your you have already what you have already, yeah. And then the next part is discussion for case study, yeah. Comparative current situation on ecofeminism in India and Indonesia. Discuss the historical background between different country and the issue of ecofeminism, what kind of problem exists within these two different countries, and then weakness or strength of weakness of the movement. We discussed already when ecofeminism or environmental policy from your friend, one of your presentation. Okay, the weakness of the strength of the movement, what kind of impact, for example, within two different countries, like on education level, political institution, civil society organization, NGO, for example. And then you might put like future prediction on this movement. You might say in Indonesia there is growing number of enthusiasm among the public to follow the issue of like gender-based environmental movement, for example. Or you just, if you have pessimistic, maybe you just say the potential of this movement is quite pessimistic to me. Why? Because something like that. And then that's like prediction. And then we have last conclusion, but not last basically, because there is reference in the end of the article. So on the conclusion, you have one. Yeah, I suggest one page is quite enough for the conclusion. So you have concluding remark based on your article. So that's all, Bagas, Akbar, Arif, yeah, Salsa, Amanda. Any question so far? I think it is easy for
Sir,
you.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Well, actually, I already make an outline about the paper, and
Mhm.
wait a second. And the title is about a bibliometric analysis, the trend of plastic waste awareness in Indonesia.
Mhm.
This paper, I think I will focus on the uh plastic awareness in Indonesia, since the Indonesia is producing a lot of plastic waste each year. And then the method, I will use a quantitative method because I will use a lot of references from the Scopus and
Mhm.
then Fosfor. And for the discussion, I'm going to discuss about one of the NGOs in Indonesia. The name is Pandawara Group, because Pandawara Group, I think the NGOs is quite popular for now, because they work a lot of to uh, on the plastic waste management in Indonesia.
All right.
And if this article succeed, I think I'm going to submit it in the journal.
Mhm. But it is still outline or you almost finished for conference
Uh,
any other purpose?
this is still the outline, and I already write a little bit about the introduction and several graphic, and
Mhm.
also the
Yeah.
bibliometric analysis.
All right, Bagas. So I claim like this your work is for this class, not
Yes.
for not any other purpose like for different class from
No, this
different
is
course.
for this course.
Okay. So yeah, when you are so you may use the article for any other purpose after this class finish, right? For your final exam of this department, for example, I mean pengganti skripsi, like, or any other purpose like international conference, but make sure this paper is based on this class apa Simon. So
Uh,
yeah, just make it clear, yeah.
okay, sir. And I think if the paper is already done, I will write your name for the second author. Then
That's fine.
I will
Yeah,
consult to you about the
it's
submit.
it's okay. Yeah, but make sure this very relate with this course by like the idea, the philosophical thing, like saying that the idea of environmentalism come from this year, from this philosopher thing, ya. Jadi intinya tugas mata kuliah ini Bagas harus memastikan ada nuansa yang sangat basic. Misalnya apa sih yang dipahami sebelum bicara the current situation of the plastic waste and management of crisis and so on. You have starting on the literature from the very philosophical thing. For example, the relation between human and environment from
Okay, got it.
Arnenes, from Vandana Shiva, the man and the water, for example. And then, yeah, you can talk about the water, plastic waste on the sea, on the river, on the land, and so on and so forth. But this course have a very specific purpose to bring students have a deep understanding on the issue based on the philosophical and political touch, not only just yeah like the what to say, just very technical ya, not just very technical ya. Jadi mata kuliah ini didesain bukan hanya mahasiswa itu pandai menyelesaikan, mencari solusi teknis atas masalah lingkungan, tapi juga punya the root of philosophical and political touch on this issue. Jadi harus terhubung dengan yang dulu orang filosof itu bilang apa tentang bumi, tentang lingkungan, and then you follow the current situation after 100 years of Anthropocene and so on and so forth. What kind of the mass consumption problem recently in the world, in Indonesia case, in Pandawara movement, and so on. That's very, very interesting because you have two things, yeah, based on the philosophical idea and also practical idea from the for example like the famous philosopher of the ecological thing, Arnenides, Vananasiva, and then you have practical situation by selecting case you are mentioning Pandawara, right? So yeah, this very good paper to talk. All right.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you. Any other talk, comment? And then we have one more slide for the deadline. I hope this is fine. And you can also comment about the individual or group. I just said in the beginning, if you are feeling it is very hard to work individually, you may choose working in group. I just make sure your assignment is done very well. So I put different option to erase to address the problem when you are thinking is quite difficult to finish by yourself, right? And Bagas, I think, run by self to finish
Yes,
the
sir.
assignment.
Yes.
All right, any talk? This deadline, you have to put on my class by June 10, yeah, by June 10, about the title and the background. So only one page, I guess. And you can back to background, what kind of thing you have to put on the background. And then the last final consultation, you can doing consultation by using Zoom. It's okay. You can meet with me. That's fine. I can allocate my time to talk with you about your project. And then very deadline for this final paper on June, in the end of June, yeah, June 30, yeah. That's fine, everybody. That's okay. Don't worry if anything you have a problem, just talk to me and we try to have a solution. Yeah. All right. Arik, Akbar, Salsa, it's okay. Arik, Galuh, you have to talk with Bagas Galuh, please. Because
Okay, sir.
you just join and I actually record so I can share this discussion as well. No worry about this thing. Okay, so every student will have individual paper. No one have in group, right? It's okay. But
Yes, sir.
yeah, I think you have a good opportunity if you have paper. For example, when you are thinking your thesis, undergraduate thesis, you can choose another option like a journal article, right? So yeah, just try to make it, just in case, yeah. you are thinking your topic is very interesting, and then you try to have to remake or to revise for the journal that have different requirement for the publication guideline. Okay, everybody. That's fine. We finish our discussion today for the guideline. Okay. Okay, Bagas.
Okay, sir, it's clear.
Yeah, Arif, you talk to me when you have any question, yeah? Just don't hesitate to share your problem, or you have any difficulty or whatever. Akbar, Amanda. I am I'm very optimistic, basically, based on your ability on in English and also your understanding on the paper or literature. I'm thinking this is a good opportunity to try your understanding to write like article academically. All right, thank you, everybody. Have a nice day, and we continue on the group to discuss this final project. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.
You sure?
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Cheers.